Hi guys, my name's Amy from Subaru, Colin Appleyard. I hope you are all well. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change the clocks on your Subaru XV. As you'll know, the colder periods are here and it's a lot darker sooner. Just so you're not rushing late to any appointments or anything because the time's wrong on your car, I'm going to show you how to fix that. So again, on your XV here, on your main screen, you'll want to go to settings. There'll be a few different icons at the bottom here: general, sound, phone and vehicle. The one you want to click to change the time is vehicle, and the first one at the top, time/date. Now, depending on your car, it may be on manual or automatic. If it is on manual, you can just change the hour and the minute here, and then you'll be up to date with the clocks going back and forwards. We suggest leaving it on automatic. Now the reason because of this is it does it itself. So when the clocks go forwards again in a few months, it'll automatically change. So again, just click mode there and you've got auto and manual. Hopefully that helps, and take care guys. Thank you very much.